In order to face up to the tsunami that stole the lives of many, and to ease the untimely passing of those who perished, we must create waves of wisdom that will make it possible for us to live in harmony with nature. Tide protection forests before the disaster. Up until now, tide protection forests consisted of mainly one species of wood, such as red or black pine. When the Great East Japan earthquake struck, trees with shallow roots such as pines were not effective as protection against the tsunami because most of them were easily uprooted by the waves. In fact, they actually became a danger when set adrift. Because there was nothing there to stop them, many people and possessions were washed out to sea by the strong pull of the receding tides. It was clearly a mistake to use these kind of trees for tidal protection forests. Even concrete tide embankments made using the combined knowledge of science and technology were no match for the fury of nature. We must learn a lesson from this tragedy. Creating a forest of life. So, in order for us to live peacefully and safely, what kind of tide protection forest should we create? First, the choice of tree is important. Trees are different depending on the climate they grow in and other environmental factors. For example, trees growing in warm climates are different from trees growing in colder climates. Natural forests consist of many different types of tree, but mainly include those natural to the area. When building a tide protection forest, it is important to choose a type of tree that is the main constituent tree in naturally occurring forests. These kind of trees tend to stretch their roots deep and straight into the soil. Then saplings of a variety of other trees nurtured in starter pots should be planted randomly and close together at a rate of about 3 to 5 per square metre. Weeding will be necessary for the first 2 to 3 years, but no maintenance is required after that. In about 20 years, it will grow to be an abundant forest. This kind of forest is naturally strong and will last 9,000 years until the next ice age. A forest made up of lots of tall and shorter trees of various species will become a green wall that will protect lives and property. This green wall will effectively break the tsunami, lowering its power, water level and speed, and increase the chance for human survival. This forest of life will save lives. Debris as a resource of the earth. There is a mountain of debris left as a result of the earthquake and tsunami. Putting aside debris that is poisonous or indecomposable, this debris could be put to use as a resource for hope. By burying the debris and mixing it with soil, creating a mound of this debris soil mix, and further covering it in dirt, you have an area of high ground perfect for planting trees. Why not gather together with friends and family to plant trees? Do it for those that lost their lives and for future generations. By elevating the earth debris mound high enough, it will be possible to guard against even a particularly large tsunami. Even if the tsunami is higher than the mound, the abundant forest roots will stand firm. The green wall will protect people against future tsunamis. The forest can be used as a place for relaxation and will protect people from the harsh sea winds. It will also provide a home for many animals. Now is the time, right now. Let us stand up and look forward to the future. We will walk without stopping and fight without giving up. We must plant trees to protect the ones we love. Very soon we will see the light of hope, and it will shine bright.